Hey there YouTube, this is Joe with Ink&Iron, and I'm back today with something a little bit different. I cannot turn the camera around while I'm recording, so there'll be a cut here and I'll turn it around and show you what we're looking at today. Okay, and here we are with the Royal Quiet DeLuxe from 1947. I'm going to give a quick typing demo. And by no means am I claiming to be a very good typist. I've never been a strong typer. When I learned in school, I transferred schools about halfway through the year in like 4th grade and entered like halfway into the typing program. So I never really developed the right habits. So basically you'll see me pecking with 2 fingers, and that is how you want to type on a typewriter, not with 2 fingers, but pecking the keys, sort of striking at them instead of gently sort of mushing them like you would on a computer keyboard. But anyway, since I'm thinking about selling this, I would like to type up a little. I drafted it already, but just a little explanation of what's going on with this particular machine. So and that's the shifter from red to black. It also has a stencil mode, but nobody uses that anymore. And that's it. I will now take the camera off the tripod and show you how this typeface looks. Okay, so we are off the tripod now, going rogue. So this is how the type looks. I think it's a pretty good impression. I haven't adjusted it. I think my only critique would be, you can see it on the P here, the lower part of this letter is a little light. I think there's another example in here somewhere. Nah, it seems to be mostly the P. If you don't hit it with full gusto, it kind of lightens up at the lower part. There's a little bit of movement here, but like I said, I haven't adjusted it, so this is the original type adjustment from 1947 from the factory. When I got this machine, I don't think it was adjusted at all. I didn't see any screw marks on the mechanisms inside, so yeah. Black and red, 10 characters per inch. And let me just prove that to you. Right, apostrophe fits inside of a 1-inch ruling. That means each character is 1/10 of an inch. Thank you for joining me today for something a little bit different. This channel is called Ink&Iron, so I felt it was appropriate to, show an iron beast that runs on ink. All right, everybody. Thanks for the views. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.